crusty. Sorry for the change of setup. I'm in a hotel room right now. So for this thrift video, I am doing several things, and I'm actually wearing one right now. So let's start with this one, why don't we? Okay, so for this one, I did what everyone else does. I just cropped it, but I also sewed the seams so it could look a bit clean at the end. And the remaining fabric wasn't like that short. I mean, it was, but whatever. I wrapped it around and I used it as a tube top. So I got 2 shirts out of it, or 1.5. I don't know. And that's it for the red shirt. Okay, so for this one was a little bit more complicated. It was the orange shirt. It looked kind of like a mom shirt, but what I did is basically I cropped that one too. Yeah, I know, but I'll make it a little bit special. I decided to pin the center and the sides to bring up the sleeves, because as you can see, the sleeves were a bit loose when I put my arms out. So what I did is I pinned it and then I sewed it, and then the sleeves were lifted. And then for the bottom, I wanted a v-neck. What I did is I pinned it in the middle and I got the v-neck. And then I got the remaining fabric at the very bottom that was discarded, and I used it as like a waist fabric thing. I don't know how to explain it, but basically I grabbed the remaining fabric, like a strip of fabric, sewed the seams to make it look neat. I wrapped it around my waist. I tied it in the back, and then it was more like those like peasant tops I've been seeing. I don't know if that's the correct one, but like there's like I'll put a photo right here, what I mean. Like I've been seeing them around lately and they're like really trendy. And I thought also what's really trendy right now is the gold necklaces. So I paired it with the gold necklace. I think it looks really nice, especially with pants like this, the mom jeans that are also trending right now. And then I just made it like a nice little cute, you know, little cute. I kind of liked it. I think that one's my favorite one so far. That's it for the orange shirt. And I also had a black shirt, and I'm probably gonna do the same thing with that one. So if you want me to go more in depth with how I did that one, instead of kind of making it more rushed, then just tell me and I'll do it. You know, I haven't touched the black shirt yet, so I could like be more in depth with it. So for the next one was this long gray skirt. It was really soft fabric, and it was like super thick too, which is good because it's not see-through or anything. So you don't have to wear anything under, but I think you probably should, you know, just in case. So what I did, literally this did not require no sewing at all. You heard it, no sewing. So what I did for that one is I grabbed the long skirt and I measured how long I'd want the skirt to be, which was 15 inches. So I cut it along the lines, like leaving a little space. You always want to leave a little space. And then I used the remaining fabric, which was around like 9 inches or so, and I used it as my shirt. That one was the easiest one because no sewing involved. It was stretchy fabric, thick, soft, nice, gray, like everything you want. And that's it for the gray skirt. Last but not least, I got this dress that's like, kind of remind me of the 60s, but don't come for me just yet. I think I can make it work, but you'll find out. So for this dress, it was kind of too long for me. I like everything short, whatever. I wanted to cut the bottom off a little bit by like 2 inches. And I also wanted to like make it fitted on the sides. If you want to see a more detailed version of how I did that, then I got a video right here for it, and I'll link it down below. So what I did is I cut off the bottom from 2 inches, and I also sewed along the sides to make it a bit more fitted for me because it was a little loose. And then I used the discarded fabric to create a matching belt. I also sewed along those seams as well. It came kind of nice. I liked it. I really liked how it came out. And yeah, so I did that. And then what I also decided to do was play around with it a little bit. So I flipped the dress the other side. I forgot what the word is called. Help me out here. Whatever. So I flipped it the other side, and then there was this long zipper going down. So what I did is I unzipped it a little bit. I tucked in the little triangles, the little corners, and I made it into a V shape. So then I got a little V-neck dress as well. Whichever's your preference, you can always, you know. The thing with thrifting is like, there's no rules. So you can always, what's that word? You can always make it as versatile as you want, get a little crazy, creative, make it backwards, forwards, upside down, doesn't matter, no one would really know how it originally looked like. And that was the final product for that. And those are all my thrifts. Well, not all of them, I still have a lot more to do, but those are for like other, you know. But for these, it's like, they're really simple, they're really fun to do, like, I love creating them and everything like that. Moral of the story is, thank you for watching. I appreciate it very, very much. I read all the comments. I love all of your support and your positive words is really, really sweet, and it means everything to me. So thank you very much. See you in my next video. Whoa!